Number 13 asks us to solve this equation. Natural log of x plus natural log of x minus 4 equals natural log of 12. All right, so what we want to have happen here is we want to get this to where it's just natural log of something equals natural log of something, and then we can drop the natural log, and we'd just be left with an equation that doesn't have logs in it. And so we can do that by using the power property, not the power property, the product property, to combine these two logs. So natural log of x plus natural log of x minus 4 is equal to the natural log of x times x minus 4. And that's going to be equal to the natural log of 12. So all we've done is multiply that x times the x minus 4 and combine that into one natural log. Now we can drop the natural log, because we're taking the natural log of something equals the natural log of something. We can drop the natural log. We get x times x minus 4 is equal to 12. All right, now let's distribute this x. So we get x squared minus 4x equals 12. And then let's get this 12 over here and get this equal to 0. So we'll subtract 12 from both sides. We get x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. And now factor. So we get, to make that x squared, we need an x here and an x there. And now we need two numbers that multiply to negative 12 and add to negative 4. That's going to be negative 6 and positive 2. So now x minus 6 times x plus 2 equals 0. So the 0 product property says that either x minus 6 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0. So if x minus 6 is 0, x is 6. And if x plus 2 is 0, then x is negative 2. So we got two answers here, but we always want to make sure, especially with logs, that we plug these back in to see if they work. So if we plug in 6 here, we get the natural log of 6. That's fine. We're not trying to take the natural log of a negative number there. Plus the natural log of 6 minus 4. So the natural log of 2 is equal to the natural log of 12. So the natural log of 6 plus the natural log of 2 is equal to the natural log of 12. That works. But notice that if we plug in negative 2 here, we'd be trying to take the natural log of a negative number. And that doesn't work. We can't take the log of a negative number. So we're going to reject that solution. And our only solution is going to be x equals 6.